Hello guys and welcome to the first episode of Roblox. So today we are going to play Roblox Ninja Legends. I've played this game a lot for a few months. I have not actually played this game. So I don't actually remember where I left off. Wait a second, I'm going to Okay guys, we are in Roblox Ninja Legends. So let's start off. I am going to turn my sound off for this because what? The sound didn't came? What? I confused. The music is on, the duels are on. I'm gonna pick both of them off. It just took again. What happened? Game is lagging. I think so. There are too many things. Too many players are playing this game. Keep in mind, this is one of the top games in Roblox. So let's see what we can get. What was I going to do? Oh. Let's see what he gives me. I have. What I give it? This. I already have that Ultra Beast. I don't need all of these bits. I should probably trade disabled. So no one can trade me now. So let's see all of the islands that I go. Oh, the game is lagging. I need to get to the set. Oh. Wait a second, I'm going to tell my sisters to go away. Hello? Hello, okay, the mic is check, mic check. So let's start off. Oh, I almost forgot to say. If you like these videos, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell if you want to see all this daily content. I am going to post different games videos. Alright? So wait for it. So all of you can watch it. So first off, I am going to try and get to the Sandstorm Island, which is up. I use this technique to get as high as I can at the start, and then when I see an island like this, I just go towards it. And if you're wondering how I time it, I just use my pets as a center. See, I just time it when the pets are right beside me. See. So I'm now going to go to a slightly higher island. Yeah. Oh, what are these? Are these both the same island? No, this is slightly higher. I was like, what? So I'm trying. In this game, you have to try to level up to the next rank. I'm right now legendary Shadow Master. So that's why. See, you can see in the chat that a lot of people are ranking up. Oh my, what did this come? What did this come? My sisters might have done something to it. Now it's back. I didn't want that. I almost fall all the way, fell all the way down because of my sisters. Okay, I thought that I was. Okay. Alright, let's go up. More. Okay, let's stop on this island. So I try and get to the islands, the floating islands. That those are both more safer than the clouds, because some of the clouds move, some of the clouds explode. You just don't know until they move. Or oh, there it is. That's the next island. I am. If you're wondering why is it saying evil karma? That this is a training area for the bad ninjas. I am like the light learner. That means I am a good ninja. So I have 12 karmas right now. And you need all of those karmas to rank up in the shop. The good light skill shop. I do. Oh, okay, I can make this. And one more thing. See, both of them just leveled up to 6. That's just the thing. And one more thing. There, I am going to check how much money do I need for a ranker. And if you have pets, these are all my pets. You can duplicate it after you win the dragon prize. And these are the multipliers that I have. So you can then with you when you rank up, you also get a multiplier. So see, I have a x 4 times Ninjutsu multiplier. Keep in mind, if you go and buy a cheaper rank that you have already bought, but now using it again, that will make you lose all of your progress. So make sure you don't do that. So I'm going to. Oh, I almost forgot to buy these things. And further in the game, you are going to get like silly dollars kind of thing. See, it says 339 39 UN. I don't know what UN means. Oh my. This sandstorm's gravity is really low. I'm gonna buy these belts and now the swords. You might want to hear this one. Ow! I should probably not hold my sword in my hand. Alright, this is how the song works when you buy it with this kind of thing. The game is lagging like crazy. So I think that might be why this doesn't look as the. Oh, I should probably get some more. One more thing, these pets that I'm using are my newest pets that I have. Duo. I don't know how much money do I need. Because a good way to get points rapidly is to stand on this green line. On this green line you see, on this green line, that's a good way to get money fast. Because see, I'm just clicking, it automatically sends it. So it's a good way. So, oh, someone is killing me. What? Someone is invisible. I should probably unhold that and I'm going to go invisible too. Where is it? Okay. I'm going to go invisible too. So they don't know where I actually escaped. Oh, but that sound might have been. Oh. So This counter tells you how much time you have after the invisibility runs out. See, already I'm using almost half of my double jumps, and I don't even see a single island. So I think that oh, there isn't. I'm going to wait here for my invisibility to go out. Because you just see these gray lines of your pets just going everywhere. That's kind of funny. Oh, here you go. What? What in the heck? That might be a glitch. No, that's not. Now it's gone. Sometimes the sound wins up. If I'm going forward, I just wait for my pets to appear on screen, and then I just press the space bar. So let's see. I think I'm going to just end the video in like 4 minutes after. You know that I cannot make videos higher than 15 minutes. And already this video is 11 minutes long. So let's quickly get to the next island fast. Okay. See, I just jump where the pets are on screen. I'm just going to try and get to the island as fast as I can. If you are going to, if you want to know what the island's name is, its name is Thunderstorm Island. There are a lot of islands in this game. I think so that I am going to go. So that's the problem. Okay, I just went up super fast. That's just the thing in this game. You have to conserve your double jump like crazy. Okay, I'm at island. No, that was the wrong thing. Are you serious? Because it's much more big. Oh, I ran out of double jump. What? I still don't have any double jump. No, I fell off. Okay, I think that I have to leave the video here. So if you guys really want to see me go higher and higher, then make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to smash that little bell icon. So bye bye and see you next time. Stay healthy in the lockdown. Bye.